Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to show you the SITERWELL smoke and carbon monoxide detector. So let's explore its feature and specifications. So let's talk about the design. The SITERWELL smoke and carbon monoxide detector boasts a sleek and compact design that easily blends with any home decor. It's not just a look. However, this detector is built to be strong and reliable. Now it's dual detection. This device is equipped to detect both smoke and carbon monoxide, giving you a comprehensive protection. Smoke detection warns you of a potential fires, while carbon monoxide detection helps prevent poisoning from this colorless and odorless gas. Now its high sensitivity sensors. One of the magnificent features is the high sensitivity sensors. It ensures that even the smallest traces of smoke or carbon monoxide are detected quickly, giving you and your loved one more time to react in case of an emergency. Now its installation. Installing the SITERWELL detector is a breeze. It comes with all the necessary mounting hardware and the process is straightforward. You can easily install it on the ceiling or wall, depending on your preference. Now its battery life and alerts. The SITERWELL detector runs on long-lasting batteries, which can give you a peace of mind for up to 10 years. It also features a low battery warning, so you will know when it's time for a replacement. And the alarm sound is loud and clear, ensuring you will not miss it even in the middle of the night. Now it's test button and silence feature. For added convenience, there is a test button to ensure that the detector is working correctly. And if you need to silence the alarm temporarily, there is a silence feature that lets you do that just without compromising safety. Now its certifications and standards. The SITERWELL smoke and carbon monoxide detector meets the highest safety standards and certifications, including UL certification. This guarantees that it has been strictly tested for quality and reliability. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. See you next time.